Lifting the Tesla Model 3 uses spacers installed between the chassis and coil springs to raise the body by 1 to 3 inches. Full lift kits replace the springs or add adjustable components for more comprehensive lifting. Aftermarket solutions from companies like IBAC and H&R provide reliable 1 to 2 inch lifts with minimal impact on ride quality. Installation typically costs between $500 and $1,500 and requires professional alignment to maintain vehicle safety and handling. Switching to larger diameter tires can increase ground clearance by elevating the wheel arches. This provides a noticeable boost without modifying the vehicle's body. For example, upgrading from 18-inch to 20-inch tires provides a noticeable boost in ground clearance. The larger diameter elevates the wheel arches, helping avoid scrapes on uneven surfaces. However, larger tires can reduce battery range by 5 to 10% due to increased rolling resistance. This resistance occurs as the tire deforms and recovers while rolling, requiring more energy from the battery. Recalibration of Tesla's software may be necessary to recognize the new tire sizes and ensure proper vehicle performance. This helps maintain accurate speed readings and safety systems. For example, vehicles like this one show how 20-inch tires can provide enhanced clearance while maintaining a modern appearance. Always consult professionals for proper installation and warranty considerations. One effective technique is reversing into driveways at an angle. By backing in, you can take advantage of the Tesla Model 3's sloped rear design, which helps the vehicle clear obstacles more smoothly and reduces the risk of underbody scraping. Another strategy involves using portable ramps. These simple triangular rubber ramps can be placed at the edge of curbs or driveways to create a gradual incline, allowing your Model 3 to roll over obstacles without scraping the underbody. Finally, consider parking on grass or protective mats instead of hard surfaces. The softer ground provides cushioning that can prevent scrapes, especially in areas with uneven terrain. This approach requires no vehicle modifications, just a change in parking habits. Tesla Motors Club members have documented successful 2-inch spacer lifts on Model 3s, reducing underbody scrapes by up to 80% on suburban driveways. While increasing wind noise slightly, these mods maintain a 5-star NHTSA safety rating post-installation. Owners upgrading to 20-inch Michelin Pilot Sport all-season tires report a 1.5-inch effective clearance boost. This allows for easier navigation on snowy driveways without the need for chains. Tesla's policy permits tire changes as long as specifications are met, helping to avoid any warranty issues. Automotive engineers warn that Model 3 lifts over 2 inches can destabilize the vehicle's center of gravity, potentially increasing accident risk by 15 to 20%. The Model 3's low center of gravity is crucial for its stability and handling. Tesla founder Elon Musk has publicly discouraged modifications via X, stating they aren't designed for off-road and could lead to software glitches that affect vehicle performance. Always consult a certified mechanic before modifying your Model 3. Professional installation ensures proper alignment and helps avoid voiding warranties or creating safety hazards. In summary, increasing ground clearance on a Tesla Model 3 can be done through lift kits, tire upgrades, and driveway techniques. Lift kits use spacers or new springs to raise the body, tire upgrades provide clearance through larger wheels, and techniques like angled parking help avoid scrapes. However, these modifications can impact vehicle stability due to a higher center of gravity, reduce battery range from increased tire resistance, and potentially void the warranty. To ensure safety and compliance, always consult professional installers and follow Tesla's guidelines. This helps maintain the vehicle's performance while addressing clearance needs.